Hey girls, can you hear me? Stephanie, why are you so lonely? Are you gonna Zoom tomorrow, Stephanie, so you can see everybody? Hello. Good. I'm glad. What's up, Quindo? Sammy? You don't need coffee. You're too young for coffee. Just a little fourth grader. Coffee's for adults. Good morning. Good morning. Just do some stretches. Wake yourself up. Just have some ice, minus the coffee. Coffee will stunt your growth. I miss you guys. Ooh, howdy. Wow. Miss Palmer. She's in a cheerful mood today. Yeehaw, Miss Palmer. I feel a little bit better as the day goes by, but I didn't have coffee, which tells you how much I don't feel well, because I have coffee all the time, but when I don't feel well, I don't like to have coffee. Clay here. What's up, Clay? Ian. Ian, what's up? Stephanie's so tied. She's tied to her computer, tied to her cat. Jacob, you like French vanilla? Well, you're not going to be bored in about 2 minutes because we're going to start math, and then you won't be bored anymore. Woohoo! Oh, that's because you get sleep all the time. Don't have to work ever. Huh, just kidding. Just kidding, Miss Palmer. JK. I'm sure Caleb's busy chasing his puppy around. Caleb, is that your only dog? It's just raining. The weather is not sad. I miss you, too. The weather is not sad. It's just raining. It needs to rain. It hasn't rained in a long time. We need rain so that the plants grow, and it's good for then close your blinds. I like rainy days. Wait, it's raining? Yes. Kansky. I love rainy days. Makes me feel like Makes me feel like cozy. All right, it is 11:30, so we're going to get started with math. Even if it's rainy, it is not rainy inside the computer. I hope not. If it's raining inside of your computer, then you have a problem, and you should probably go see a computer repair person. All right, no more talking about anything other than having to do with math. Okay, we are going to learn today something brand new, and all of you are going to focus on me. I'm the one with the headset, so I'm the one that has all the control. I'll wait till you stop saying you miss everybody. Tomorrow you get to see everybody at the Zoom party. So look at me, I have the headset. Focus on me. Okay. Okay, so we are going to learn how to count back change today. This is a very important skill. Shopping again. That was a joke because you can't shop right now. But one day you'll get to shop again with money. And so here's two things that when you go shopping that you have to do. I worked at a store before I was a teacher, and they have a register that you pay with. Some people do self-checkout. Back when I worked at a store, there was no self-checkout. I know, I'm really old, dating myself. But the clerk, you pay for your items and you give them money. When you count back change, you need to make sure your change is correct. You don't want to get, when you work one day, or if you get allowance, or if you get fine money, or however you get your money, you want to make sure the customer's change is always correct, right? So, Stephanie, I'm looking at you weirdly also. So, the two things that you want to think about when you're counting change is that you want to get the least amount of coins. You don't want 100 pennies when you could have a dollar bill. Nobody wants 100 pennies handed to them. I don't. My purse will weigh 1,000 pounds. It already weighs 1,000 pounds, and I don't even know what's in there. That's where I store my cat or something. I don't know. I'm not really sure it's in there, but I but you don't want 100 pennies. You want to start with least. You want to have the least amount of coins and the least amount of dollar bills handed to you, and you always count back from the smallest amount of coins, which is the least, not the smallest coin, but the smallest in value, and you work to the highest to count your change back. So it's what we're gonna practice. I'm going to teach you how to count back your change, and then tomorrow you're going to practice this with your parents. I'm not going to do it with you. You're going to do it at home, and you're going to buy something at your house with money. You get your money out and you buy things at your house. I'm not going to buy it. You're going to buy it from your parents. So they might make you buy your breakfast. I don't know. Parents make them buy stuff, make them buy their breakfast, make them buy their lunch, make them buy their shoes, make them buy their shirt. I don't know. And you could just make them pay for stuff. You could give them money, okay? And then you're going to have them pay, and then they have to count the change, okay? That's what you're going to do tomorrow for the lesson. But you can um, give them some money. Gianna, you could do it on Saturday when they're home. Tomorrow's Friday, so you can always do it Saturday. Okay, relax. All right. So first of all, we're gonna do. You get your money back in the end, but this is what we would have done if you would have been in class. But first of all, we're gonna review the coins, so we're gonna practice find the change. Okay. So what's the smallest coin what's the smallest coin called, and how much is it worth? Penny. Okay, a penny. a penny, and it's worth how much? Penny is worth how much? How much money? 1 cent. Good. All right. What's the next lowest amount of money? After penny is what? After penny is nickel. A nickel is worth how much? 5. Very good. 5 cents. Okay, keep going. What's my next value? Dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. Okay, get bigger after dime. What's after a dime? Okay, we're done with dime. Quarter. Quarter is 25. Okay. We could have a $50. Sometimes people give you a $50 coin, which is worth 50 cents. Okay, that's it for quarters or change. Let's go to dollars. So the smallest dollar is obviously a $1 bill. Then we have what's after $1 bill? $1 bill. $1 bill. Then we have what kind of? Now we're into dollars. We have $1 bill, $5 bill. Then we have $5 bill. No, we're not doing $2 bills. We're not doing $2 bills. Most places, even though $2 bills are okay, that most places don't give you $2 bills. Oh, yeah, you're right. Sure. Even though I have hardly ever seen anybody give me a dollar coin, they do exist. Okay, $10 bill. Then we have $10. Then we'll do $20. And then we'll do $50. My money's getting smaller. Then we're just gonna go to $100. Okay, so we're gonna keep that stuff in mind while we're doing this, okay? Because we're gonna count backwards. We're gonna count up. So I want you to think about the smallest amount of money working up. So remember this. You should know your money by now. But let's say this is counting back change, okay? Let's say that I have bought something with I bought something that was with a $10 bill. Okay, I bought something that was $10. I gave my $10 bill to the clerk, but my item was only $7.29. Now I need to get from $7.29 to $10 with the least amount of coins and the least amount of change. So we're gonna start with the least. So when we were doing our coins, we're gonna start with the smallest coins, working our way up. Okay. So what's the very first thing that they're gonna give me? What do you think they should give me first? So this is what my item cost. No, I always start with the smallest amount of coins. So what's my smallest coin? No, I only want to have actually 1 penny. Okay. So they're gonna give me 1 penny to make it $7.30. Okay, so now it's $7.30 because then it's a nice round number. Okay, so now how do I get it to be $7? Now I want it to be nice and even again. So what should I do? Somebody said 2 dimes. That's good, Clay. 2 dimes. That's perfect. If I do 2 dimes, I'm going to get to $7.50. Okay, good. Okay, 2 dimes. So now what do I want to do next? 2 dimes. 2 dimes are better than 4 nickels because it's less coins, right? So now what do I want to do? So now I have 750. So now what do I want to do? I have 2 dimes. Now what am I going to do? 2 quarters. Very good. 2 quarters. 2 quarters is going to make me have how much money? If I add 2 quarters, how much money am I going to have? Add 2 quarters to 750. $8. Very good. Now, how much do you think he's going to give me? No more cents. Now he's not going to give me any more coins. He's going to give me what? $2. So my total change is going to give me. So when he counts back, have you ever seen if your parents ever pay with not a debit card but actual cash, which a lot of people don't? They're going to count back up from their money. They're going to go 729, 730. They're going to do 2 dimes. 725. They're going to say 730, 750, $8, 9 and 10, and they're going to give the parent your change. And they're counting up from this to get to $10. That's what counting up means. Making sure that you're counting up from the bottom all the way to $10. And this is the least amount of coins. How many coins do I actually have? I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins, and then $2 bills. That's not that much change, right? That's hardly any like coins. 5 coins and $2 bills. I'm not putting much in my purse, right? Imagine like they gave me all like dimes or all nickels. I would have a lot. Now we're just reviewing. Then we're gonna go in the book. Okay, let's try one more. That was on our book. Okay, so here's another one. Okay, imagine that I gave the clerk $5. Okay, I paid with $5. We're not in the book. We're not in the book. I paid with $5, and my what I paid for was $1.67. So do exactly the same thing as what we just did. So what do you think's the first thing they're going to do to even it out? What should they give me first? The smallest amount of coins. So what are they going to give me first? Three pennies. Very good. They're going to give me 3 pennies, which would make me have how much money? $1 what? 3 pennies would make not 33 pennies. You don't want 33 pennies. $1.70, right? I have $1.70 now. Okay, so now what am I gonna get? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.